What's up, Super Squad? Today we actually have a very fun day planned for us. We're going to be hosting the first official group ride of the year here in the Netherlands. The weather was supposed to be kind of rainy today, but it seems to have cleared up and it's just going to be overcast weather, which is perfect for riding conditions. We're expecting around 25 people. Hopefully we get some more, but we'll see when we get there. So the route we have planned for today is actually pretty fun. We're going to be avoiding the city center and just hitting up the countryside, so it's going to be a nice, chilled, relaxed ride. Daniel's actually going to be picking me up here at my house. We're going to be filling up his van with some bikes, and then we're going to be heading to the office. And then, yeah, I'll see you guys there. There's Daniel.
The ultimate fanny magnet, you get me? You get me? You do get me?
What's up?
You ready?
Ready? I am ready.
So we just arrived in the office. Some people are already actually out there waiting for us. We're gonna set up the tents and everything, and then we'll get this thing going. Let's go. So this group ride was actually done in collaboration with the Dutch SuperSquad, and I just want to give a shout out to my man Aaron here. He's one of like the co-founders of the Dutch SuperSquad, or like the main guy?
I was co-founder with a couple of people, yeah.
So like
we met here on the first group ride. So.
Yeah, I met him actually during the SUPER73 day.
Yeah,
right? Yeah. And he's been one of the main guys here, so I just want to give him a quick shout out, and he's going to be one of the leaders today, so see him around.
Yeah, so as you can tell, I'm from England, and
You don't say.
Biking over here is absolutely great. So when I got the SUPER73, I just want to meet with the people who got them and ride about. And I actually come from Rotterdam, so you know,
it's a long trip.
Yeah, it's a long trip, and the concentration of people are here. But we've had a real good turnout. You know, members are coming, they want to get involved, and that's what we want. And we want more and more people to come and you know, show Paris, show Germany, UK, America that you know Holland's got a good scene as well.
Yeah, and we're just trying to grow it, so it's a tough process at the beginning, I think, but I think we're managing.
Yeah, it's a snowball effect. It's momentum. You know, it's always going to start small, but you know, this is an example. It's getting bigger, and yeah, just join the community. We're on the Facebook pages and WhatsApp groups, Instagram. Yeah. There'll be a community page coming soon on Instagram. So yeah, watch out.
Yeah. So we're gonna start the ride soon. I think we're gonna get going, and it's gonna be a nice ride. What do you think, Aaron?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah? Nice little chilled ride. Not a lot of scenery.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be good. We're gonna go now, guys. See you later. We just came back from the group ride. Lasted just over an hour or so. We took a little bit of time, took a nice break, took a nice group photo. We're gonna do more of these all over Europe. Paris is probably next, and then the UK, or vice versa, but we're gonna be going all over Europe, so stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and comment and subscribe. See you guys next time.